welcome to another video of Law Nitip Basala, and today we are in this topic of pollution control and standard labels for air quality. So we are especially in air pollution control, and in this today's topic we are in ambient air quality standard. What are the standards of air quality which is required? Standard for desirable community labels in terms of concentration and sample arrangement time periods associated with measurement of these pollutants in community air is described in table 1.1.12, and certain materials have been designated as hazardous air pollutants to which no ambient air quality standard is applicable, and for which national emission standards will be used. Various pollutants in different sources that should be considered with emission standards are given in table 1.3. So in table 1.2 and 1.3 is clear what kind of measurements should be there. Look, like ambient air quality standard, what kind of standard should be there, annual geometric mean should be how much, and maximum concentration should be how much, sulfur oxide level should be how much, which is not mentioned here. I don't know why. Annual arithmetic average. Okay. For particulars, these are the parameters, and for sulfur oxide these are the parameters like arithmetic average and concentration, whereas for carbon monoxide, for photochemical oxidation, for hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxide. Similarly, in table 1.3, various pollutants in different sources, like what are the sources and what are the pollutants. So it is mentioned here. We have looked at it, and let's go and further read the other topics. Emission standard. What are the standards of emission? Emission standards may be written in several ways. First one is process weight, rate or mass of emitted pollutant per mass of raw materials. Example, 0.15 kg particulates per metric ton of feed to a kiln. Second one, mass of emitted pollutant per mass of product. Example, 1.5 kg of nitrogen oxide per metric ton of nitric acid produced. So emitted pollutant per mass. So what we here it is written is how much standard is it, like if like we can measure that by per the size of the batch, like if the size of the batch is 1 ton, then 1.5 kg of nitrogen oxide is it is measured like that, and mass of emitted pollutant per volume of emitted gas, like 90 milligram of particulates per dry standard cubic meter is okay, like that's the standard, and there are lots of things here in tables which we have already gone, and if needed we'll go further in our future classes. Okay, fourth one is mass of emitted pollutant for heat input. Example, 0.34 gram of sulfur dioxide per 106 joule of heat input. Similarly, plum opacity. Example, plum not to exhibit more than 20% opacity. Okay, more than 20% opacity. Okay, let's search. What is this? Plum is a shafter. It's not a sulfur. It's some kind of air pollution, I guess. A dot. A soft dot. Air which is dirty. Other emission standards includes the limitation of sulfur content of fuel and restriction on pollutant mass emitted by new vehicles during a specific dynamometer test cycle. Our next topic is process control of atmospheric emission, and this we can do in another class. So thank you for watching up to now, and see you in another video. Subscribe, like this video. Okay, bye bye, take care.